province of Cebu is widely known for its rich culinary heritage. It boasts a wide range of cuisine, born from the innate creativeness of the Cebuanos, along with centuries of trade and cross-cultural exchange. For the Cebuanos, food is not only a means of nourishing the body, but it is also a source of pride and self-identity. Rice snacks, in particular, have been a staple in most, if not all, Philippine households. And the Cebuanos have certainly pioneered one of the most famous and delicious rice snacks we now have today, in the form of Ampao. Ampao is a sweet and crunchy rice delicacy from the city of Karkar in Cebu. If you've ever visited Karkar City, you might have already been acquainted with this iconic treat. They're usually sold in various stalls and pasalubong centers, along with other local delicacies all over the city. Either that or you've encountered a street vendor peddling ampaos inside public buses or near busy stoplights in other cities of the province. Visitors and tourists in Karkar often seek out these delicious snacks as souvenirs or treats to bring back home to enjoy with their loved ones. Often touted as the Philippine version of Rice Krispies, Ampao is well regarded for its crunchy texture and saccharine flavor, making it the perfect treat for both children and adults alike. Whether you're looking for a tasty complement to your mid-afternoon drink or just looking for something to munch on after a meal, you can never go wrong with an Ampao. Once you get your hands on an Ampao, expect a delightful blend of sweetness and crunchiness, all packed into a unique rice-based snack that embodies a significant part of the local culture and economy of Cebu. Now let's take a look at an interview with Mr. Dennis Lariosa as he narrates his humble beginnings in Karkar's Ampao industry.
Ako Dennis Lariosa. Nagsugo ang akong Ampao pag 2014. Nakadesisyon ko kay mo may sugo sa mga tindero nga parisan para di na sila mo pait-pait og lain ba. Para mausa na nilang kumprada ba. Ang mga tabante na ko sa Ampao, mga bag-o nga napoy mga skill ba. Usan tig puto, tigluto ning tiglutoan pa man eh. Ang ikaduha mo tig pabiti, kanang tig pabuto sa kuan na mantika. Ikatulo mo nin tiglatik dere. Latik na dana hulma, maghulma na siya. Yang uban na to tig putos.
By now, you must be very eager to know how they make Ampao. Let's get right to that. First, dried rice is continually cooked in a boiling pot of oil. Throughout the cooking process, the dried rice is removed from the pot at set intervals. This is to ensure that the rice doesn't burn. While the rice is cooking, the syrup used to add flavor to the rice is simultaneously prepared. Sugar and Philippine lime juice, or limoncito in the local tongue, are mixed in a separate pot over a fire. The mixture is then boiled for a period of time. Once both rice and syrup are ready, they are then mixed together thoroughly in bulks. Once mixed, the rice is then laid out on a rectangular table and then left to dry. As soon as the rice is thoroughly dry and crispy, the Ampao is now ready to be packaged and stored.
Kini iyang negosyo nga Ampao, ma'am, affordable ra jud kayo. Nakatabang sad ni siya sa iyang mga trabahante. Kay iyang mga trabahante og dili ni makatrabaho mawad-am po ning pangwarta. Mao man ni ibuhi silang pamilya.
Ako si Julie Barbarhillo, uno lang ko to'y katrabaho dire. About sa ngamo, huwag problema kay uwutan sila, diyon, dili ko na huwag panginabuhi.
Ang minimum nga sweldo na nga 400 times 2 na. 800 plus additional nga kaon allowance na 50 pesos. Magkadako atong negosyo, magkadako mo sa atong punan.
In closing, we can definitely say that the Ampao holds a special place in the heart of the Cebuanos, especially the Karkaranos. It not only represents the rich culinary heritage of the region, but it also helps the local economy. The production and consumption of Ampao has become an integral part of the city's culture, with generations of its people involved in its industry. Up to this day, it continues to captivate both tourists and locals alike.
Ang trekking sa Ampao, lami, barato pagyod, ug limpyo pagyod. Palit na.
Ang ako'y kasulti sa mga turista nga moari og Karkar, mas nindot nga ari gid sila mopalit sa trekkings kay gawas nga lami ang timplada, barato ra pud siya. Unya ang mga tindera, mga may mudag abi-abi. Labi na ang tag-iya.
So if ever you find yourself in Karkar City, be sure to indulge yourself in the sweet, crunchy goodness of the Ampao and savor the vibrant cultural and economic tapestry that this snack embodies.